Verification. To pass verification, you need to confirm your identity, your residential address, your payment method, identity confirmation. Send a photo or a scan of one of the following documents. Passport, a double-page spread with personal details. Driver's license, both sides. ID card, both sides. The photo or scan must be an original and show all corners of the document. We don't accept collages, screenshots, or edited images. After this, you'll need to take a 3D selfie with your laptop or smartphone camera. Sit back and follow the instructions on the website. Address confirmation. Send a photo or a scan of one of the following documents. Tax return, bank statement, work or student visa. Utility, TV, or internet bill. Temporary registration at the place of residence. If the address is printed on your ID card, re-upload it. What must be visible in the document? Your name, registration address, document's date of issue. The document must be issued within 3 months of its upload date or be valid at the time of verification. We don't accept the following types of documents: mobile communications bills, credit card statements, medical bills, insurance statements, purchase invoices, payment method confirmation. You must confirm all the payment methods you use to deposit or withdraw funds. Bank cards. Upload a photo of the front side of the card where one can see the first 6 and the last 4 digits of the card number, as well as the owner's name. If the card has no name on it, upload a photo of the certificate of ownership. The certificate must contain the card number and your name. If you are using a virtual card, send a screenshot or an e-statement with the owner's name and money transfer to the platform. Digital wallets. Upload a screenshot with the account number, its owner's name, and a money transfer to the platform. If the data are not displayed on one screen, send 2 screenshots. The wallet number and transaction must be visible in the first screenshot. In the second one, there must be the wallet number and the owner's name. Online banking transfers. Upload a screenshot or a bank statement. Both the owner's name and the transaction to the platform must be visible. If the data are not displayed on one screen, send 2 screenshots. The account number and the transfer must be visible in the first screenshot. In the second one, there must be the account number and the owner's name. In some countries, you can provide a bank book if the transfer screenshot has no name or account number in it. After completing all steps, we'll send you an email acknowledging the receipt of the documents and start checking. Verification may take up to 24 hours, but most users pass it in 15 minutes. After the check, you'll receive a notification about the result. If you don't receive an email, check your spam folder or contact our customer support.